And so I'm curious, what are some strong signs that, you've got a good, you've got a proven go-to-market model?
Well, proven go-to-market by definition, proven meaning it's successful. So to me, that means it's a systematic approach that is repeatable and consistent and predictable. So like if you have all those pieces together, you get that predictability, meaning it can act as a lever for your business. So if I pour more money into the marketing, sort of the marketing engine, the top of the funnel, then I can expect a certain dollar output at the other end in a very repeatable, predictable way, meaning that if I spend more, I'll get more at the other side. And it is a predictable number that's proportionate to the spend. So it's a lever we can pull back and forth. So to me, that's a proven model. If it's a crapshoot and you don't really know and it's kind of all over the place, like you put, okay, we're going to ramp this up and we're going to see, and maybe we get more at the other end, maybe we don't. Maybe it drives more leads, but those leads don't convert. Then it's not proven yet. We're still iterating and we're still proving and tweaking. But that type of testing is what you need to do in order to figure out what works and what doesn't and where we need to fix things in our model.